During the Classical Age, empires such as Greece, Rome, Persia, Maurya, Gupta, and Han China witnessed remarkable advancements in philosophy, science, and governance, leading to the flourishing of democracy, literature, and large-scale architecture. In cities like Athens, great thinkers such as Socrates and Plato gathered to debate profound ideas, shaping the foundations of Western philosophy. While far away in China, the construction of monumental projects like the Great Wall signified the ambition and organizational prowess of the Han dynasty. As the heart of commerce and politics, ancient Rome thrived with bustling markets and lively discussions among citizens, while in India, the Mauryan Empire demonstrated its grandeur through magnificent palaces and effective governance. In the Library of Alexandria, scholars dedicated themselves to the pursuit of knowledge, preserving countless works of literature and science, while the Gupta Empire, known for its cultural brilliance, saw stunning temples that reflected both artistic craftsmanship and spiritual devotion.